we have here a pile of rocks. But under the pile of rocks, we found a geocache. It is not the geocache. It looks like we have something here. We've got this thing. What could it be? It has a button on it. I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna see what happens. So here we go. Can you guys hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna do it again. It's a doorbell. Oh my gosh, it's a ringing log. Hello? Hello, geocache? Yes! Found it. Oh, you guys, that was so cool. Bunch of little trinkets and a little swag. And of course, the Sea Schooner specialty, it's a little ducky. You guys, that geocache was so cool. I just had to share it.